Okay, Dana, here is part two. I found a page that has an icon in it. The text doesn't look like it should, and so I'll show you how to do that manually. Like I said, still working with iDesign about doing it an easier way, but for right now, this is how you would do it manually. So let's go ahead and look at my desktop. As you can see, I'm still logged in as you. We have the icon. This is the one that I created the other day for um, four now, but anyway, and this is the font, and we want this font to look like the font from another iDesign page that is blue and H2 sized. So let's go ahead and look at the code real quickly here. We're going to go in the HTML editor. Okay, what we're looking at is this little piece of code right here. You'll see it says H3. That should be H2 because that's the way that it fits. And then like we did up here, we added a class. We're going to add another class down here into this H2 title. And we're going to say class, and we're going to say equal quote mark Grayson dash title, and put another quote. And that is the class that makes this text right here blue and the right size. Also, since we changed this to H2, we need to change this one to H2. And if we go back and look, now that font should be blue and it should be the right size and the right everything. And sure enough it is. That is the font that we want it to match up with. So that is how you would do it. Let me see if I can find another one to do that with. Again, I've already added the watermark and everything down here. There's one that's already done, but as you can see, it's already the right color. This one must be from a page that you copied into a template page. Here's one that we need to fix though. So, all right, we've got the font. Pardon me, we've got the icon, but the font is not correct. So let's go Edit, HTML editor, and we're looking for that little heading H3. You've got it as. Oops, we don't even have the. Let's go ahead and just add the whole thing to this page. We don't have the top line up there. We're going to first of all add this div, and we're going to add the class. If I can find an equal sign here, and I think it's text container. I could be wrong about that. Or maybe it's page. I think it's page. Let's just go look. I'm going to go ahead and open this up in a new. Let me open one of these up in a new tab so I can see it, so I don't have to guess, because that's just annoying and waste your time, and I don't want to do that. So let's go ahead and look at one that I know is correct. I know this one's correct, so let's go look at it. Okay, so it's page wrapper. That's what it's called. That's the class title that we want. And what that does, it tells the page to look like an iDesign page. So let's do that. My bad. I should have remembered that. So we've added the div. We're going to come down here and add the bottom line. Gotta close that div. All right, now let's take care of the font. This is the H3. We're going to make that an H2, and we're going to make that another class, and we're going to make that Grayson dash title. And then we got to find the back end of it and change it from H3 back to H2. Now when we save it, this page should look just like an iDesign page. And it does. It has the right font. It has the color, it has the watermark, and everything's there. So that is how you would fix a page. It would be easier. Let's go back to my main screen. It would actually probably be easier to put this little piece in to a blank page. The problem is, I don't know how we would do the icon to get the icon that you wanted. I think if nothing else, I can build you a video that shows you how to copy in the basic template, and then Once you've gotten that done, you can paste your content between, basically, I'll build you a new template page, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And it'll have 2 lines, and it'll say, copy your stuff here. And then you can copy your stuff in there, and I'll make it where all of these icons have a little blurb that you can copy in, and that would probably be fastest for you. That way you wouldn't have to go back and edit the page after you've copied a bunch of stuff in there. So let me know what you think about that idea. In the meantime, I'll send an email to iDesign. I'm waiting on them to get back with me, and we'll go from there. But anyway, this video will show you how to do it manually, and it shouldn't be too much trouble. Like I say, I know that you probably don't want to spend a lot of time editing HTML, but it shouldn't take too much time or trouble. I will help you. Like I said, just call if you have a page that's giving you trouble. Call me, say, hey, I need help with this one, and I will fix it. So in the meantime, as soon as I hear from iDesign and they have some kind of suggestion, I will let you know. But in the meantime, this is the simplest and quickest way to do it. I hope you have a good day. I'll talk to you later.